Did you know that the difference between success and failure could lie in the small decisions you make every day? Some things you do or don't do without even realizing are holding you back from achieving your financial and life goals. And the worst part, most people make these same mistakes repeatedly without even noticing. Albert Einstein is often quoted as saying, "Insanity is doing the same thing over and over again and expecting different results." If you want your life to look different in the next 12 months, you need to change who you are. Stick with me until the end of this video because I'll reveal 9 habits you need to stop right now if you want to transform your life. Number 1. Stop expecting people to treat you well. I often hear people complaining about their employers, the government, friends, or even their parents. These complaints usually happen because they expect others to treat them kindly. Sorry to say this, but that's a poor strategy because, honestly, most people won't treat you the way you want. If you want to succeed, you need to figure out how to be independent and not rely on the kindness of others. As long as you need someone to pay you, take care of you, or be kind to you, you'll always be vulnerable to frustration. Focus on becoming self-sufficient so your well-being doesn't depend on anyone else. Number 2. Stop comparing yourself to others. Ralph Waldo Emerson once said, "To be yourself in a world that is constantly trying to make you something else is the greatest accomplishment." Many people fall into the trap of what psychologists call social proof. They do things because others do, go places because their friends go, and pursue certain careers or dreams just because that's what everyone does. Albert Einstein once said, "If you judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree, it will live its whole life believing it is stupid." Many people suffer from low self-esteem, not because they aren't good enough, but because they compare themselves to others. Stop comparing yourself, discover who you are, and work to become the best version of yourself. A fish doesn't need to climb trees, monkeys don't need to swim like fish, and birds don't need to run like horses. You'll reach success faster and more easily if you focus on being a better version of yourself instead of measuring yourself against others. Number 3. Stop waiting for a map. Over a decade ago, when I first entered the business world, the only thing I knew was that I wanted financial freedom. I had no idea how to achieve it or what steps I needed to take, but I made the decision to start and believed that I'd figure it out along the way. Most people think there should be a clear map for their lives, but life's journey isn't like a physical trip where you know exactly where you're starting, how to proceed, and where you'll end up before you even leave home. Life doesn't come with a map. You just have to get out there, get your hands dirty, and trust that you'll discover the way as you go. Number 4. Stop making excuses. I grew up in very difficult conditions, but at 19 years old, I asked myself, do I want to keep making excuses for the state of my life, or do I want to dream of a better life and chase it? I chose the second option. I decided to focus on what I could do to change my life instead of complaining about what was wrong around me. George Washington Carver said, 99% of failures come from people who have the habit of making excuses. If you want, you'll always find a million excuses. The government, your employer, your parents, your spouse, your health, the economy, or even the weather. So if you want to change your life and become wealthier and more successful over the next 12 months, you need to stop making excuses right now. Decide what you want and go after it, no matter what it takes. Number 5. Stop wasting time. One day in October 2018, I decided to delete all my social media accounts, Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat. Many people thought I was crazy, but I realized I was wasting at least 2 to 3 hours every day just scrolling through my feed. Earl Nightingale said, if you spend 1 hour a day studying in your chosen field, in 5 years or less, you will be a national expert in that area. That means if I had used the time I wasted on social media to study my field, in 5 to 7 years, I could become an expert. Henry Ford noted that most people make progress during the time that others waste. We all have the same 24 hours a day, but unfortunately, many of us squander that valuable resource. The time you waste is the same time other people use to gain knowledge, develop skills, and build wealth. If you want to succeed in the next 12 months, stop wasting time. Benjamin Franklin said, "Time is money," and you need to believe that. Number 6. Stop waiting for a large capital. A relative of mine once came to my office with a business plan that required around $30,000 to launch, even though he had never managed a business before. I reviewed the plan, reduced the required capital to less than $11,000, and told him, "If you can't start small, you won't start at all." Many people want to start their own business, but keep waiting to save hundreds of thousands of dollars before taking the first step. The truth is, if you can't start with a small amount, you'll probably never start. To change your financial life, you need to be willing to chase your dreams with the resources you have, starting from where you are right now. Number 7. Stop not believing. Muhammad Ali once said, "It's lack of faith that makes people afraid to meet challenges." I challenge you to stop waiting for a map. The reason most people wait for a map before acting is a lack of faith. Faith is trust in what you cannot see. If you have faith in God and in yourself, you'll take the first step even without a map because you trust that you'll find the way along the journey. Stop being pessimistic and doubting your inner strength. Believe in yourself, take action, and make things happen. Don't wait for others to clear a path for you. Start trusting yourself and have faith in your own potential. Number 8. Stop expecting miracles from the government. Former U.S. President Ronald Reagan once said, "Government does not solve problems, it subsidizes them." This means that the government often doesn't truly solve issues, but only prolongs or maintains them. Stop expecting miracles from the government. Take full responsibility for your life, and you'll become wealthier and more successful. Number 9. Stop being afraid of failure. Here's some news for you. Failure is inevitable. Whether you fear it or face it head-on, sooner or later, you'll encounter it. Success in life is reserved for those who feel fear, but still do what needs to be done. If you want to change your life over the next 12 months, tackle the tough tasks head-on and do what needs to be done, even if it scares you. Remember, the key to success isn't the absence of fear, but the courage to move forward despite it. By adopting these principles and staying committed to your goals, you'll be better prepared to thrive and achieve your dreams. The path to success and personal fulfillment isn't easy, but it's within reach for anyone willing to take action. Remember, true growth requires change, both internal and external. Stop waiting for ideal circumstances, large capital, or miracles. Instead, start now, where you are, with what you have. Face your fears, treat failures as lessons, and eliminate excuses. If you apply these ideas and stay committed to your goals, you'll be closer to turning your dreams into reality in the next 12 months. The journey is yours, and the power to change is in your hands. I hope today's video helps you achieve your financial goals. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe and like this video so it can reach others who need it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.